Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. तो आज मुझे लगा I'm going to tell you about my major shopping fetish. So it's festival season right now and I'm a major deal hunter. तो मैं almost 3 to 4 months continuously कभी shopping नहीं करता, but once I find the most amazing deals, I go ahead and buy a ton of shoes. So today I'm going to walk you through some of the most recent pairs that I have bought on discount, on sale over the last 1.5 months. So let's get started. So while I really love shoes, one key thing is that I need to find shoes of my size. And my size is size 11. So I have to be picky as well when it comes to the make, the manufacturer and the model that I'm buying. So the first shoe that I've recently bought is the Puma IDP Icon white canvas sneakers, which go really well with either a white shirt or a dark colored t-shirt or shirt, and you can pair them up with joggers and jeans. These are super comfortable, go well in a very formal or semi-formal or casual vibe, so you can mix and match, you can decide what goes well for what occasion. And this is one of my favorite pairs because I always ensure I buy at least 1 or 2 pairs of white sneakers every year because it goes with practically everything. So the next pair that I've bought recently is the Everlite loafers for men. It's a very unique pattern, color and design, and it really struck me. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to get these. And you can really pair these with a nice pair of smart white shorts and a t-shirt that is either dark in color or has a contrast. You can also wear it with a bush shirt and a pair of shorts. Also goes really well with a pair of trousers. So again, mix and match, but watch out for the fact that you wear this during the daytime because that's when the color of this particular shoe really comes out. And these are really comfortable as well. So the Everlite loafers for men is something that I highly recommend. Alright guys, the third pair of shoes and my personal favorite from the last few pairs that I've bought is the Zaisha black loafers for men. This has a nice suede finish to it and goes really well with Indo-Western outfits. So you can pair it up with a kurta and jeans, or you could go ahead with a kurta and a pair of Indian leggings as well. The beauty is that it has a nice brassy sheen to it, especially the buckle, and in this case the buckle looks like it has the letter H engraved on it, which is basically the initial to my surname. So this is another model that spoke to me before I had even bought this. So goes really well with both Indo-Western outfits and also with a nice pair of jeans and a t-shirt. So guys, the fourth pair of shoes, actually ये pair एक नहीं है, these are 2 pairs of shoes. This is the Chevette men's combo. So I bought 2 pairs. There is a navy blue pair and a pair of red shoes, but I just wanted to mix it up. So how I wear it is I wear one of red and one of blue, and it's an amazing combination. This is also in vogue these days, so I thought why not give it a try. In fact, the other day जब मैं नीचे जा रहा था ये दोनों अलग mismatched pairs पहन के, I was obviously wearing my mask. मेरे security guard ने मेरा temperature लिया, and the first thing he did was उनकी नजरें गए मेरे shoes पे, and he was very candid about asking me कि सर क्या हो गया आज, अलग अलग जूते क्यों पहने आपने. So it's a fashion statement that is still new to the market, but I would recommend that you guys try it because this combination goes really well with either a pair of shorts, a pair of joggers and jeans, and team it up with a colorful jersey or a shirt as well. Mix and match, that's the origin of this entire style. Super comfortable, super fashionable, and goes well both during the daytime and in the evening. So choose your occasion rightly. And guys, the fifth and final pair of shoes that I have bought during this festive season is again a Puma, the IDP Icon sneakers for men. This one is in navy blue. I have a huge weakness for anything blue or navy blue, as you can see during this entire video. This goes really well with a nice pair of shorts and t-shirt. You could also team it up with a pair of jeans, but I prefer wearing it with a pair of shorts because it has great ankle support and really brings out the flavor of your entire outfit. Made of canvas again, and I had to have this pair as well. So there was one in white and this one was in navy blue, and the beauty again is that it goes with practically everything. So super practical, super affordable and super stylish.
गाइस, तो अगर आपको लगता है ये प्रद्युत का पूरा शू कलेक्शन है, आपको बहुत गलत फहमी है. दिस इज नॉट इवन 10 to 15% ऑफ हिज शूज. और जब उसने शूज ऑर्डर किए थे तो रोज हमें बिल्डिंग मेरे को गार्ड कॉल करता था, मैडम सर का पैकेज आया, सर का पैकेज आया. एंड मोस्टली आई एम द वन हु डज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक, प्रद्युत तुमने कितने जूते खरीदे?
इट वाज वन आफ्टर द अदर. ऐसे नहीं कि दो पैर एक दिन पे आ रहा है. सो एवरी डे न्यू पैर.
हां.
And then, as it happened, we've run out of space now. We've अपना जो original shoe rack था वो एकदम भर चुका है. So not only have we bought new pairs of shoes, but we've also had to buy a new shoe rack altogether for my shoes.
And shoe covers. So you got these really nice covers from Amazon. The reason we like them is कि यहाँ पे transparent है, तो आप देख सकते हो कि कौन सा shoe है. You can keep them.
Protects against dust. Also super portable, so you can just pick it up and put it into your suitcase or bag as well.
Correct. Yeah. So if you want to see more shoe hauls, हम इस पे 100,000 वीडियो बना सकते हैं.
There are actually a couple more pairs coming in over the next 2-3 days. तो मुझे लगा कि I should save that for next time also.
Correct.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. For more
hauls, comment below and tell us. And फिर प्रद्युत आपके लिए जितने मन चाहे hauls बना सकते हैं.
Yes, provided I find shoes in my size.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.